first step, we will welding all the parts together and then to the assembly. So now I will show you how we do the welding. Okay. As you can see, this is the first part welding for the thread wire and moving contactors. So this is also the main part in MCBs is the to electricity contact for the safeties also. So this you can see, we all the parts we will welding by hand, and also we have the QC managers to check our workers they are doing it right or not. As you see, we have 24 welding machines, and one day we can welding almost about 20,000 pieces. We can say we can have this quantities, or we can say output. So now I will show you around. And you can see this is the coil system, and you see this is the fixed contact, and this is the terminal, and this is the yoke. So this we have one welding and two welding also. This is the contact silver point. You see after this, so actually this is the finished part. So this is once this finished, we will go to the upstairs to do the assembly. Actually, this part is another model of MCB. This is the C45. Just now I show you this one is this is the L7 model. This is the C45 model. As you can see, also this structure is a little simple, but this one quality is most stable in the market. And you can see this is also the terminals, dimetals, coil, and moving contact part. So this is the one part in the MCB, the most important part. When we assembling, we just put the coil and put into the MCBs like this. The same one. 看着他们点焊的那个工。 Here is the workshop of our SKD products. As I said, we have many business now. We are selling the SKD to our customers because the customers they have owned their factory to assembling the MCBs. So we are supplying the parts to them after we doing the basic process. So now I will show you the parts we are sending to maybe to some customers. As you see, this is the part, and we just finished now, and this we will send to our customers. This is the moving contact part in the we can say 6 MCB, because the fact our customers they don't have the writing or welding machine, so we just send the half finished part. They can do the assembling directly after they receive the materials. So this is easy for our customers to processing, and or maybe we can say to start the assembling lines in their factories. So you can see here. This is unpacked part for the MCB inside, and also we can see here also have some other parts. Here is the packing carton we are using for the parts. You can see this is very strong carton. You can see. So the parts, most we are afraid is during the transportation, maybe some damage happens maybe when we're loading or unloading. So if we use these cartons, it will help us to reduce the damages. And when the customers receive the materials, the condition is perfect. Okay. 我都结束了，叫他下来。这里。Here is the laser printing room for our products. So I will show you. I will take around here. Okay. You can see this is the laser printing. Actually, it's same like the pad printing, but you know, this is very fast. One time you can print at least 5 pieces, and the color, but the color is only one color, is gray colors only. See, this is the machines. We have 2 machines like this, and also this is the pad printing machines. You can see we are pad printing we are printing the brand here and some specifications, and also in the both sides and also in the bottom. This is the machine, but this is very old machines. We have some automatic printing machines in our upstairs, and later my colleague Epson will show you this. Call him right now.